Hey everyone! Welcome to Adventure Aura. I'm so excited to share with you my latest adventure. This time, I traveled to a city that completely blew my mind. It's a place where the energy is palpable, the colors are vibrant, and the experiences are unforgettable. I just got back from the most amazing trip to Bangkok, and wow, this city is crazy, in a good way. From the moment I landed, I was hit with a wave of excitement. The skyline is a mix of modern skyscrapers and ancient temples, and the streets are always bustling with activity. Whether it's day or night, there's always something happening in Bangkok. It's super energetic, colorful, and the food is so good, it's just wild. The street food scene in Bangkok is like nothing I've ever seen before. Everywhere you turn, there's a vendor selling something delicious. From spicy noodles to sweet mango sticky rice, the flavors are out of this world. And the markets, oh my gosh, the markets, they're packed with people, sounds, and smells that create an atmosphere that's both chaotic and thrilling. I know you guys love this kind of stuff, so I spent 2 weeks running around Bangkok, filming everything. We saw temples, bustling markets, and even some hidden gems that most tourists miss. I wanted to capture the essence of the city, from its iconic landmarks to its lesser-known spots. Every corner of Bangkok has a story to tell, and I was determined to uncover as many as I could. Huge markets, rooftop bars, crazy street food, everything. The temples are breathtaking, with their intricate designs and serene atmospheres. The rooftop bars offer stunning views of the city, especially at night when Bangkok is lit up like a sea of stars. And the street food, I can't emphasize enough how incredible it is. Each bite is an explosion of flavor, and trying new dishes was one of the highlights of my trip. This video is your guide to Bangkok. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious about what this city has to offer, I've got you covered. I'll take you through the must-see attractions, the best places to eat, and some tips to make your visit as smooth as possible. Think of it as your personal travel guide, packed with all the information you need to make the most of your time in Bangkok. It's like a preview before you go, a cheat sheet when you're there, or just a fun video to watch. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone who loves exploring new places from the comfort of your home, this video has something for everyone. You'll get a taste of Bangkok's vibrant culture, its rich history, and its modern-day charm. So sit back, relax, and let me take you on a journey through one of the most fascinating cities in the world. So get ready, turn up the volume, and let's explore Bangkok. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be itching to book your next flight. There's so much to see and do, and I can't wait to share it all with you. Let's dive into the heart of Bangkok and discover what makes this city so special. Are you ready? Let's go. First, you must visit the Grand Palace. This iconic landmark is not just a tourist attraction, it's a symbol of Thailand's rich history and culture. As you walk through the gates, you'll be transported to a different era, where the grandeur of the past comes alive. It's like a real-life fairy tale. The golden rooftops glisten under the sun, and the intricate gold detailing on the palace buildings is simply mesmerizing. Every corner of the Grand Palace tells a story of kings and queens, of battles and celebrations. There are shiny gold buildings, giant statues, and temples inside temples. It's amazing. The giant statues stand as guardians of the palace, each one with its own unique design and history. The temples within the complex are a testament to the architectural brilliance of ancient Thailand. This was where the kings of Siam lived, and you can feel the history. The walls are adorned with historical paintings and murals that depict the rich cultural heritage of Thailand. As you explore the palace grounds, you can almost hear the whispers of the past, the stories of the kings who once roamed these halls. Check out the Temple of the Emerald Buddha, a very important place in Thailand. This temple is not just a place of worship, it's a symbol of national pride. The Emerald Buddha statue, carved from a single block of jade, is a sight to behold. It's believed to bring prosperity and good fortune to the country. Remember to dress nicely, no tank tops or short shorts. The Grand Palace is a place of reverence, and it's important to show respect by dressing appropriately. There are strict dress code guidelines, and it's best to adhere to them to avoid any inconvenience. You don't want trouble with the temple police. The security personnel are vigilant, and they ensure that all visitors follow the rules. It's always better to be prepared and dress modestly to enjoy your visit without any hassle. The details on the buildings are amazing. Mosaics, carvings, statues, everything is beautiful. The craftsmanship is unparalleled, and every detail is a work of art. The mosaics on the palace walls are made from tiny pieces of colored glass, creating stunning patterns and designs. The intricate carvings on the temple structures are a testament to the skill and dedication of the artisans. spend a few hours here, you won't forget it. The Grand Palace is a place that leaves a lasting impression. Whether you're exploring the palace grounds, admiring the architecture, or simply soaking in the history, every moment spent here is unforgettable. As the sun sets, the palace takes on a magical glow, making it the perfect end to a perfect day. Next, we're going across the Chao Phraya River to Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn. This place is gorgeous, especially at night. The main tower is covered in colorful porcelain that shines in the sun. It's really special. You can climb the stairs for amazing city views, but be careful, it's steep. A famous king, King Taksin, found this temple at dawn after a battle and decided to fix it up. Cool, right? Visit Wat Arun during the day or night. It's a must-see. Get ready, things are about to get wild. We're going to Chatuchak Weekend Market, the biggest outdoor market in the world. It's a maze of over 15,000 shops selling everything: clothes, souvenirs, art, antiques, electronics, even pets. It's exciting, there's music, people selling things, and the smell of street food. It's a lot. Come hungry and ready to bargain. You can get good deals, just don't get lost, it's huge. Okay, Khao San Road, this place is something else. It's where backpackers go for cheap drinks, street food, and, well, interesting people. They have everything from buckets of alcohol to fried scorpions. Yes, really. It's a fun place to party, but maybe not if you want a quiet night. If you're brave, try the street food. Maybe skip the scorpions. Khao San Road is an experience you won't forget, good or bad. Let's change things up and visit the Jim Thompson House, a hidden gem in the bustling city of Bangkok. This place is not just a house, it's a journey into the past, a glimpse into the life of a man who single-handedly revived the Thai silk industry. The Jim Thompson House is surrounded by a serene and beautiful garden, offering a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. The lush greenery and tranquil setting make it a perfect spot to relax and unwind. Jim Thompson, an American architect and businessman, played a pivotal role in revitalizing the Thai silk industry after World War II. His passion for Thai culture and silk led him to create a legacy that still thrives today. In 1967, Jim Thompson mysteriously disappeared while on a trip to Malaysia, leaving behind a legacy that continues to intrigue and inspire. Despite his disappearance, his house remains a testament to his life's work and passion. The house itself is a stunning example of traditional Thai architecture filled with antiques, art, and exquisite silk displays. Each room tells a story, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Thailand and Jim Thompson's dedication to preserving it. Walking through the house feels like stepping back in time. The detailed antique collections and traditional Thai interiors offer a unique glimpse into the past, making it a must-visit for history enthusiasts and art lovers alike. To truly appreciate the story of Jim Thompson and his house, take a guided tour. The knowledgeable guides provide fascinating insights into his life, the history of the house, and the significance of the Thai silk industry. It's an enriching experience that adds depth to your visit. If you need a break from the city's fast pace, the Jim Thompson House offers a perfect escape. The relaxing garden area, with its tranquil outdoor seating, invites you to sit back and soak in the peaceful ambiance. It's a place where history, culture, and nature come together, providing a unique and memorable experience. Need a break from the city? Go to Lumpini Park, Bangkok's biggest park. It's like a breath of fresh air. People exercise, do Tai Chi, and have picnics. It's a great place to relax. Watch out for the big monitor lizards. Don't worry, they're usually harmless. Rent a boat or just relax in the shade. Lumpini Park is perfect for escaping the city. Back to shopping. MBK Center is a huge mall with over 2,000 shops on 8 floors. They have everything from fancy clothes to electronics to cheap DVDs. Be ready to bargain. The food court on top has lots of Thai and other food. MBK is great for souvenirs and everything else. Be ready to spend a few hours there, it's big. Asiatique, the riverfront, old meets new. Asiatique is a cool outdoor shopping and entertainment area by the river. It used to be a busy port, and they kept the old buildings while adding new things. There are lots of restaurants, bars, shops, and a Ferris wheel. It's a fun place to spend the evening. See a Thai puppet show or walk along the river. Asiatique is a great mix of history, culture, and fun. Erawan Shrine, a quiet place. In the middle of busy Bangkok is the Erawan Shrine, a small but important religious place. It's for Phra Phram, the Thai version of Brahma. the Hindu god of creation. People come here to pray and give offerings for good luck and health. There's incense and Thai music, it's amazing. Even if you're not religious, the Erawan shrine is worth visiting. Bayoki Sky Tower, Bangkok, from way up high. Time to go up high. We're going to the Bayoki Sky Tower, the tallest building in Thailand. The observation deck has amazing views of the city. You can see everything. Go at sunset for the best views. There's also a rooftop bar. The Bayoki Sky Tower is the perfect place to see the whole city. Bangkok, I love Bangkok, so there it is, my trip to Bangkok, the city I love. From the Grand Palace to Chatuchak Market, this city is amazing. I hope this video makes you want to visit Bangkok. It's an unforgettable experience. If you want more travel tips or want to see my adventures, like and subscribe. See you next time.